Hey everyone, this is Jordan with Quickpros Accounting, and I'm going to show you today how to uh, create manual transactions in QuickBooks Online. So since we don't have any bank accounts connected, you can do the same with those after you connect them, but what we have is the cash account. So we're going to start there, and you go right down here to add check if you're wanting to add a check, or you've got all the other options here: transfer, expense, journal entry, refund, bill payment, receipt payment, sales receipt, deposit, etc. So we're going to name a payee. We're going to say Eddie. We're going to add Eddie as a vendor. I'm not going to do this at this time, but when you add any vendor, you want to add their details. So it'll come up address, their full name, or company name, etc. So we're just going to hit save to do this quickly. And we're going to say payment of $500. And this one we're going to call contractors. And we've got the date. Now, also, easy way to add a deposit. Instead of check, you just go add deposit. And let's say $20,000. And we're going to say sales of product income in this case. And save. And that is how you manually add a deposit or expense in QuickBooks, whether it be a check, and here's the check number in this case. Now also, if you needed to go back and add or if you wanted to split this out into two different types of income or expenses, this is how you do it. So you just go back here to edit. It'll pull up the full bank deposit. And so here you would enter, in this case we'll say tour guide sales. Add tour guide sales. If it's not already in there, it is going to be under income. You want to change the detail type to in this case service fee income, tour guide sales. We have it set, and now you can say just easy 10,000 of that was tour guide sales, and you would subtract this off, and to make sure it subtracts, you just click somewhere else and it will do it for you. Makes it nice and easy to calculate things. And then we go to save and close, and now you'll notice that here it says split, and that is a reason, and it shows you the split in each amount. So this is how you add manual transactions into QuickBooks Online. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe below if this helps you, and I will do more videos in the future. Thank you so much.